Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm getting another of my StarQuest minis done this week with the Saurian Psychic. They were black and white zenithally primed, and to get started I went around all of the exposed skin and the scales with Hydra green. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Bringing up the parts of the skin that will be in the light, I went around with using Jade green. To finish the skin off, I used Ghoul green just to touch up the uppermost parts and some of the sharper edges. For the robe, I start off with a once over royal purple as the base coat. The mid-tone on the robe now all gets done with blue violet. Getting the parts of the robe that are facing upwards and around some of the tops of the folds, I went around with Amulet purple. To get magical fire started off, I used Fanatic orange over it all. Since I had this out, I also done the tongue, as I just don't want to get a red out just for the tongue. Now fire is normally highlighted in reverse, so the brightest parts are in the recesses, but this is magical fire, so I went the other way and actually just brought up the upper parts with orange flare. There are a few leather parts around the mini, so I got British Khaki and just got them started. Bringing in some variation on the leather, I went around using Cork brown and just brought up a few bits. The base is the same style as my other StarQuest minis, so it gets a quick once over with black to start with. Moving on to the metal parts, I start off with Dragon's Gold over all of the armor panels and the staff. To break up the gold but keep everything in the same colour spectrum, I used Carapace green, just went over a few of the panels. The base now gets its silver parts done using plate armour. Since I had this out and there's still a lot of gold, I actually used this as an edge highlight on some of the parts just for some more variation. For the washes, I'll start with Battle Mud wash over the base and the leather parts. Just to get some depth into the gold, I use light tone wash over them, making sure not to let it pool anywhere. And that would be it for the Saurian Psychic. I like how it came out. I wasn't too sure about this scheme when I first came up with it, but it does seem to have worked out pretty well and it's come out pretty bright, which you would expect for a Saurian. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. For those of you who want to pick up some new minis or just some painting supplies, there are some affiliate links in the description below. To get a closer look at this mini, you can check out my Instagram page. Don't forget though, if you enjoyed the video or found it useful, drop it a like and subscribe for more content. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.